Perched high above the Pacific Ocean, this incredible mansion appears to defy gravity. At first glance, it almost doesn't seem real. As we move closer, the dramatic scale of the architecture becomes impossible to ignore. Every angle reveals something even more extraordinary. The entire home is designed around breathtaking ocean views, where glass walls erase the boundary between nature and architecture. From above, the home's elegant geometric design blends perfectly into the rugged granite cliff, creating a truly one-of-a-kind masterpiece. The infinity pool stretches toward the horizon, creating the illusion that the water flows directly into the Pacific Ocean. This spacious outdoor terrace offers an unforgettable place to relax while listening to the sound of waves crashing far below. Inside, floor-to-ceiling glass fills the living room with natural light, making every moment feel connected to the endless ocean beyond. Even the dining area is positioned to capture spectacular sunset views, turning every meal into an unforgettable experience. The modern kitchen combines clean minimalist design with premium materials, all while overlooking one of the world's most incredible coastlines. Imagine waking up every morning to panoramic ocean views, where the first light of sunrise fills the entire bedroom. As the sun begins to set, the rooftop terrace becomes the perfect place to enjoy breathtaking panoramic views in total serenity. When night finally falls, the mansion transforms into a glowing architectural masterpiece. The question is, would you actually live here? Would you live here, yes or nitrogen monoxide?